Well, we're on the south side of the house right now, and we were at one time going to build a garage over here, so we left a lot of space on this side. So actually, looking forward where that cedar tree is, the big cedar tree next to the propane tank, that is on our side. So that's the lot line on this side. That's our neighbors out working. So you can see our lot line runs close to their house, probably about 10 feet off of the house. So I think these stand of spruces running along with that cedar are probably the lot line. And it's not this pole here, that's where the invisible dog fence runs to. So I'm not sure where the marker is, but it's probably right about here. And going back, as you can see, we're in line with that big cedar coming here. So this whole side was intended for a garage, but we never did build one. This would be the other side to the deck. And again, you know, location, location, location. You know, it's just an amazing view. Well, I'll walk down on the flat and shoot up at the A-frame.